BMS Diff Brace, call me. Just kidding. Got a BMS Diff Brace. Got a 2018 Kia Stinger. 2018 to 2022 Kia Stingers. All-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, 3.3 only. G70s, same ways. Teach you how to install these. Simple ways, an efficient way, but yet not following BMS's way. They're always wrong. Got a diff. Got the bolts. Got hardware. All you need is a ratcheting 12 and a 14. 12, 14? No. 14 and a 15 is what you need. And some brains. First thing first, take the 4 bolts off the diff. I like to start slowly so you don't break the seal. See? It farted. Speed this up later, please. The worst smelling fluid ever.
I should have the chat.
Yeah, butterfingers. So remember guys, it's the lower fourth, not the upper one or not the upper two. 4 on the bottom. Now, you're gonna replace it with their hardware. Correction, you need a 13 and a 14. But what I like to do too, I don't like to snug them down. I just like to get them pretty much ready to get tightened down. Okay. Now to install the side bracket to the subframe. The inner piece go in between the hole to line up to these bolt holes to bolt the L bracket to the diff brace. Like so. The only thing I do different here is BMS provides you these Home Depot graded bolts from shit. Anyways, I don't use them. The stock ones work perfectly fine. They're longer, easier, and it's factory. So, put the slider bracket in. This takes a little bit of patience. Thank you. With the longer bolts, it's easier to find out holes, brackets, but I don't tighten them down yet. Then I use the leftover 2 bolts that you took off. Insert into bracket. Put the nuts on them, provided by BMS. And then from here, I like to sequentially tighten the bolts down from the front of the diff up to the side bracket to the L bracket. You might need a 17 as well. And just like that, BMS Diff Brace is installed. It's ready to now hit the tracks, drag strips, launch control. If the rear end's a little sloppy, this is 10 out of 10. Cheapest mod to do to get the rear ends to not slip, slide, flippity hop, poop, pop, dee, poop. You guys have a good day. Stay tuned.